In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use snippets in GoHighLevel. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you're on the dashboard, head straight to Settings. That's where we'll create a reusable snippet that you can drop into emails, texts, and pages without retyping the same content over and over. Inside Settings, open Custom Values. Custom values are essentially global placeholders for text you want to reuse. Think of a business address, a legal disclaimer, a signature block, a calendar link, or a special offer. Instead of hard-coding those details in every asset, you store the text once as a custom value and insert it wherever you need. If you update the value later, every place that uses it updates automatically. Huge time saver and a great way to stay consistent. Click Add Custom Value. Give your value a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it when building content. Short and descriptive works best. Then, in the value field, type the actual snippet you want to reuse. This is the text that will appear wherever you insert the custom value. For example, you might add a complete email signature, a short CTA line, or a block of copy with links. The function of the value is simple. It's the content that will be dynamically pulled into your templates, campaigns, and pages. Click Create to save it, then go back. For this walkthrough, we'll use the snippet inside an email template. From the main menu, open Marketing, then choose Emails, and go to Templates. As a note, you can also insert this snippet in campaigns, send it via SMS, or embed it in funnels and websites, anywhere custom values are supported. Create a new template by selecting the highlighted option, then pick Blank Template to start fresh. Choose the design editor for an easy drag-and-drop experience. Rename your template so it's easy to find later. Clear naming helps you and your team stay organized as your library grows. Now, add your email content. When you're ready to place the snippet, use the editor's Custom Values option and select the value you just created. Drop it exactly where you want that text to appear, top, middle, or as a footer. Consider formatting it to match your brand, and preview the layout to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, click Save Template. Your template is now ready to use, complete with a dynamic snippet that you can update in one place and reuse everywhere. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, subscribe for more.